Welcome, in front of me is a RUGGEAR RG655 and today I will show you how to format your SD card. To get started, let's go into our settings. From here, scroll down to storage, tap on your SD card. This will take you to the storage itself, and from here you want to tap on the three dots, go to storage settings and choose format. Now it will give you a message that formatting will basically remove all the data from the SD card, so if there's anything that you would like to keep, you might want to back it up beforehand, otherwise you will lose it permanently. But assuming you have already done it or you simply don't want to, simply click on the Format SD card. This will immediately begin the process, and this takes only several seconds, at which point, once it's finished as it is right now, all you need to do is click on Done and, well, you're done. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.